Today, I'll show you how to create a fade in and fade out effect on CapCut. The first step is to add your video to the timeline. Once it's there, scroll through the timeline to the spot where you want to add the fade effect, whether it's at the beginning or end of the clip. Let's start by making the video fade in from a black screen. First, select the video clip. Then, add a keyframe at the point where you want the fade to begin. Next, navigate through the editing options until you find opacity. Once you find it, select it and reduce the opacity to 0. Confirm this change by tapping the tick mark. When you play the video now, it should start with a black screen. To make the video gradually appear, move the timeline to the point where you want the fade-in to end. Add another keyframe, select opacity again, and this time, increase the opacity to 100. Confirm this adjustment. Now, when you play the video, it will start from black and then smoothly fade in. You can repeat this process throughout the video wherever you want a fade in or fade out effect. Simply find the spot, add a keyframe, adjust the opacity, and check the result by playing the video. Feel free to experiment with the placement of the keyframes to achieve the effect you like. If you're not happy with the result, you can always use the undo button and try again until you're satisfied with how it looks. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.